Hi, I'm Patrick Schmidt, the executive chef here at Grille 26. We'd like to welcome you here to try some of our fall features. One of the features we're going to be making for you today is a small plate or an appetizer, and that's going to be our beef pierogies. So it's going to be beef and potato filled, wrapped in an egg dough, then also sauteed with mushrooms and onions and a cream sauce. We just wanted to try something that we've never done before. You know, we've done raviolis before and egg rolls and different stuff like that, so a pierogi is something new that we haven't put on the menu before. And the other dish we're going to be making for you today is going to be our lamb and mint campanelli. So the campanelli is going to be the pasta. It's going to be with seared Australian lamb, red onions, some blistered cherry tomatoes. We're going to make it with a white wine and tomato beurre blanc, topped with some feta and also mushrooms, and then a little mint for a garnish. We wanted to do, something that's unique, and then it's also, a light pasta, not completely too heavy for the fall. Some of the other dishes we have are going to be our new peach blondie feature. So it's not a brownie, it's a blondie, so it's a good, fall dish with peaches. We have our chicken enchilada pizza. We brought back our off-the-cob salad. We also have a fried pork tenderloin sandwich to try. And then, of course, we have an Italian melt. So we encourage everybody to come out and try our new features and then give us feedback on everything. We appreciate it all. Thank you.